Hello. Well, I noticed the truck kind of sounding funny. Like maybe it had a flat spot on a tire or something. So I was on my way to the store to get some jars to do some canning today, and I thought, oh, there's a Les Schwab there. And so I thought, well, I'll just stop in and have them check it real quick. They're saying something about a rear differential. So when I find out what's going on, I'll update you. I don't know if you can see, but I got her on the rack. Well, it's not as bad as news as I thought it was. It is a differential in the rear. This side's okay. The other side, there's a whole bunch of wiggling in it, and he went over it in detail with me, so I feel pretty confident in what he said. I think he's going to drop it down right now and let me get stuff out of it, and I think I'm going to leave it here overnight, get my brother-in-law to come and get me so they can get started on it first thing in the morning. So, yeah, not what I wanted to hear, but could have been worse. All right, I'll get back with you. Somewhere. Hello. So they kept my truck, and it was the differential. I don't know what all else. Anyway, I should have my truck back tomorrow. That's the bad news. So I'm in a safe place. I'm parked. I'm okay. And I had an opportunity to run by one of the little stores here in Klamath Falls, and I picked up something really cool. I know they have a modification for the door to put a screen on, but I thought, I don't want to do that. So while I was at the store, I saw this. Oops. And I bought it, and I'm in the process of putting it up, and thought I'd show you. It's pretty perfect. It just velcros on, so I will be able to take it off when I close up the TrailManor. And I know it's a little big, but that's okay. I really don't care. But at least it'll be a screen, and at least it will keep flies out. I'll probably put a little Velcro down across there and probably across here. But yeah, I got a screen on my door now. Woohoo! Anyway, so I guess while I'm waiting for my truck to get fixed or whatever, I'll just work on organizing the TrailManor. I'm not going to do the canning of the carrots and apples today. I'm too flustered, so I'll do it tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just going to work on getting this stuff put away, organizing, putting my shoes away. My shoes I planned on putting in that cupboard down there, but I got some rearranging to do. Anyway, I just wanted to bring you in and show you that I got a screen up, and I couldn't be happier. So I can leave my whole door open and have a screen top to bottom. Right on. All right, I'll be back.